Unbelievable footage caught in the wild. A man spots a strange creature by a remote lake. Look closely. A gray, furry being, almost human-like, curled up motionless at the water's edge. The waves crash around it, but it doesn't move at all. Curiosity mixed with fear. The man doesn't dare get closer, unsure if this mysterious creature could be dangerous. At first, he thought it was just a monkey, but no monkeys have ever been seen here, and this creature clearly knows how to swim. Could it be the legendary water monkey? His heart races as he calls his companion to check it out. The creature doesn't attack, just stays still. Finally, it's caught, only to reveal it's a koala.